Hello everyone and welcome. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Today we're going to make these Valentine themed earrings. We'll be using red seed beads, silver hoops, silver wire, and these beautiful little red Swarovski hearts. I'm going to go ahead and get set up and I'll be right back. Welcome back. Let's get started. The first step is to cut a 20-inch length of 24 gauge wire. We're going to use the needle nose pliers to form a small loop somewhere near one end. I'm going to slide that onto the silver hoop just behind the silver ball. Actually, I'm going to make that loop a little further back on this wire. Let's go back to about here. Okay, we're going to slide this on that end, and we're going to work the wire through that loop, back the end of the wire back through that loop, like so. And then we're going to, it might fall off at this point, but be patient. We're just going to close that loop nice and snug, and I'm going to test it. It's pretty secure, but I think I'm going to repeat this one more time so it's really secure. That's why I put the loop back a little bit further, just in case we need to go do this twice. Okay. Again, I'm going to snug that nice. That's really secure now. That's not going anywhere. Next, I'm going to take the flush cutters and I'm going to trim that wire flush. And if you test it with your finger, if you feel it's got a little sharp point, go back with your needle nose pliers and just pinch that little sharp end in, like so. Next, we're going to load this wire with 13 inches of seed beads. Now, I experimented with different ways of doing this, and this method seemed to work as well as any. I made a pile of red seed beads. I'd hold my hand and I'd just start bringing this end of the wire through the seed beads, and as you can see, it starts to catch beads on the wire. I'm just going to keep doing that until I have 13 inches of beads loaded. Okay, I think that's probably about 13. I'm going to check that. 12. It's about 13 and a half, so I'll take a few of these off. Now at this point, we're going to take the end of the wire and come back through the last bead that we strung on. Now this can be, then take your needle nose pliers and snug that wire around that last bead. And that secures, secures all these seed beads onto that wire. Next, I'm going to move these out of the way. And we're going to start coiling this strand of seed beads around and around and around this hoop. Getting started can be is the challenge, but once you get going, as you can see, the coil starts to form. And just keep going and going. I would do like 2 or 3 coils and then work your coils back down around the hoop. Okay, and as you can see, that's about, they're all about evenly spaced, and it brings us right to the end of the stud wire on the other end of the hoop. Next, we're going to repeat making a loop like we did on the other side. So I'm going to grab the round nose pliers and actually, you don't really need the round nose pliers. We're going to, this can be a little tricky, but it works. Make sure these coils are back behind the stud wire that goes through the ear. Then we're going to form a loop and bring our wire back through the loop. Grab needle nose pliers. It can be helpful to have 2 pairs of needle nose pliers to work with. Snug that loop, nice and snug. I think I'm going to go ahead and repeat that one more time. Actually, make sure that that loop, I'm going to go ahead and repeat this one more time. Bring that wire through the loop. And pull it nice and snug. There you go. There, and I trimmed the tail. You might find as you're coiling that you'll hear a few of these little seed beads crack and maybe break off. That's to be expected, but don't worry. There's plenty of seed beads that remain. So that's step 1. We have that part done, and as you can see, we put the plastic ear back right there. The next step is to make the little heart drop that drops at the bottom of the earring. To do that, you're going to cut an 8-inch length of wire. And I believe I strung on 5 seed beads. 2, 3, 4, 5. This Swarovski heart is side drilled, so the wire will go through the side drill hole, and we'll string on 5 more seed beads. Right in the middle of that wire, like so. Next, we're going to take both wires and crisscross them right where the end of the seed beads intersect. Play with this a little bit so you get it right. Once you have that lined up to your satisfaction, we're going to twist. Now at this point, you take your round nose pliers, and I'm going to form a loop. Take the wire on one side, I'm going to form a loop, and then I'm going to wrap that loop so that it catches both wires. So we formed a wrap loop, and then we're going to take our flush cutters and cut the tails of the wire off as flush as we can. Once again, feel this with your fingers, and if you feel some sharp pointed ends, use your needle nose pliers to pinch those ends in so they're not sharp. The next step is to take a 6mm open jump ring, open that jump ring, I want this to hang. Which direction do I want that loop to go in? Okay. In order for this to hang facing forward, we're going to need to twist that loop so that it's hanging front to back. When I did that, I see another little sharp wire end to trim. Okay, we're going to determine where on the earring we want this beaded drop to hang. And I think right about there, in between these two coils, is what works. So we're going to take our open jump ring, slide through the loop, slide it through the loop on the beaded drop, and carefully bring that jump ring around the base of the hoop between those coils. Just like that. And then close the jump ring. And there you have it. One down, one to go. I'm going to go ahead and make the matching earring, and I'll be right back. There. I've made the matching earring. Now I'm going to try them on. There you go. What do you think? I'm looking forward to celebrating Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to all of you. If you decide to make your own Swarovski heart hoop earrings, we'd love to see them. And you can share them with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. See you next time. Bye.